Hey everybody, it's me Roman. Thanks so much for tuning in and happy Friday. I'm here in the CVS parking lot, as you can see, about to get into some deals. Sorry I didn't bring you a video last week. I was just very busy and I wasn't feeling it, and I did go to Walgreens, but it was very brief. I just did one deal using the points booster, so it wasn't enough to make a video for you, but I'm back at it this week. Unfortunately, I also messed up because I forgot to clip all of my CRTs to my account from last week for CVS, and I also didn't go print them out at the red box. So I lost all of those CRTs that would have rolled over onto this week's deals, but I'm going to try to make the best of it and work with what I have. So let's go inside the CVS and see what deals we can take advantage of, and I'll meet you guys inside. Alright you guys, I'm in the store. So the first deal I'm going to do is on the Listerine. It's on a buy two, get a $4 extra buck. So I'm probably going to pick up one of these and the ready tabs. I do have some coupons. And then you can also submit that to the Listerine site to get $5 back. And then I have a couple mouthwash CRTs, so it should make for a really good deal. So next here I'm going to grab 3 of the Crest. They're on a buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. I have a couple CRTs for oral care that I'm going to combine with this, and there was also a 5 off of 3 coupon on our CVS account that I attached. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing here is on the Colgate Optic White. It's buy 2 get a $5 extra buck, and it's a limit of 2, so I'm doing this deal 2 times. I don't have any coupons, but that's going to give me $10 back, and I also have 2 $3 whitening CRTs that should attach to this deal, and I also have a 2 off of 10 Colgate. So this should make it about a $4 money maker. So the next thing I'm grabbing here are these Oral-B floss picks. Now I've met a fellow couponer in the store, and she actually showed me that in the app there's a $2 off. So I did attach that to my account, and then you get $5 back. So it just makes them 49 cents. But with the CRTs have, it should be completely free. Alright, so next deal is on the Maybelline buy 2 get 6 back. I have a CRT, and there's also an Ibotta rebate for $2 on select lip products. So I'll be grabbing 2 select Maybelline products, and I'll show you guys which ones I get as soon as I get home. So the last item I'm going to pick up here is this Smart Mouth mouthwash. They keep giving me so many coupons on the CVS account. I think I have $7 off, a $2 and a $5. So when I combine this with my CRTs plus all the other oral care items, it should come out to free at the end. So guys, here it is. Here are all the items that I got from today's CVS haul. Now I did pick up quite a bit of items, took advantage of quite a bit of deals. It is very oral care heavy. The oral care deals were just really good this week, and they were too good to just pass up. So we got some Crest, Colgate, Listerine, Smart Mouth, some Oral-B, and then I also did the Maybelline deal to end things off. Now, a lot of these deals are newbie friendly, so if you're new to couponing, welcome. These deals were pretty easy to do. The only paper coupons that I had were for the Listerine, the Ready Tabs, and the Listerine 1-liter bottle. The rest were digital coupons that are available to most of us on your CVS account, and then I combined those with CRTs. Now I would have taken advantage of more deals or picked up more items, but like I told you all, I did lose out on my CRTs from last week. Normally I have the leftovers from the prior week to work with in addition to the current week's CRTs. Unfortunately, I was unable to do that. But overall, I'm still pretty happy. There's a lot of items in this haul to go over, so let's go over the details. I'll show you all my receipt. Okay, so here is the receipt. We have the Crest, all the Colgate, the 4 Colgates. The Crest is a limit of 2 per deal. The Colgate's a limit of 2 per deal. I did the Crest deal once, and I did the Colgate deal 2 times, as you saw. And then I picked up the 2 Listerine. It's buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. We went over that. And then those Oral-B toothpick floss That was such a cool deal. It was buy one, you get a $5 reward, and then there was a $2 off coupon in the app, and I'm so happy that that fellow couponer was there to let me know about that deal because I had no idea. So that was really, really cool. I was very grateful for that. And then I did the Maybelline, as I told you all, and then I also did the Smart Dry mouthwash. Now, if I would have not picked up the Smart Dry mouthwash, this would have been a huge money maker. But since I did have those in-app coupons there for so long, I wanted to take advantage of that deal. I also clipped the coupons when I was in the store, and then I realized, oh crap, it's going to be $6.79 additional, which I didn't really want to pay. But because everything else was a money maker, I was able to pick up that item basically for free. Now, here are all the coupons. The two $1, those are for Listerine. So $1 for Listerine, $1 for Listerine. Then the Crest coupon, that's 5 off the 3 Crest. You can clip that and add it to your account. Anybody can do that. The Oral-B, that was on the on these floss picks. This is very newbie friendly. Just clip that coupon, add it to your account. It's $2 off. You're gonna buy it and get $5 right back. So that just makes it 49 cents. You don't need any CRTs. You don't need anything. If you're new to couponing, start here. Start with this deal. You just buy one, get the $5 back, and then use that $2 off coupon. So you're paying, in the end, you're paying, it's like you paid 49 cents for that product. Really good deal. Now, so we had that came off, that was the $2 for the floss picks. Then I had a 5 off the 15 Maybelline CRT. I had the $5 off Smart Mouth, which is this new mouthwash that I've never tried. It's regularly $13.79. But I had a $5 off, and I also had a $2 off, which is right here. Then I used the $3 off teeth whitening CRT, another $3 off teeth whitening CRT, and then I had several oral care CRTs. They gave me I used a 3 off of 15, I used the 3 off of 12, and I also used a $2 off 10 Colgate and a $1 off $5 mouthwash. We had about, I needed like 40, I believe it was $42 to use all of those. They are threshold coupons, but because the total of the oral care products is so high, I can combine all of these separate threshold coupons. And then here are the extra bucks that I used, all right? So I did use a $9 extra buck, a 6, a 5, another 5, a 4, a 4, and a 3. Now my subtotal, look at that, 177. I should have used another $2 extra buck, but my math was wrong. It was off by $1, but I would have not cared about losing the 23 cents. So my subtotal could have been, essentially $0. So we did have the 177 plus tax, total 449. I put that on my card. Now let's go over all the extra buck rewards that I got back. So this is a $10 extra buck reward, which is for the Colgate. So I did this deal twice. So they gave me a $10 extra buck. So that was awesome. This is the $5 for purchasing select Crest or Oral-B products. And that was on the floss picks. $6 for buying Maybelline. That's when you purchase 2 Maybelline cosmetics. They're giving back a $6 register reward. This is another newbie friendly deal. If this is your first time couponing, just pick up 2 of the Maybelline baby lips. That's gonna bring you to about $9. And then you're gonna get back $6 in extra bucks. So if you can take that $3 loss, you're on the right track, because you'll start getting CRTs for cosmetics and Maybelline after doing that purchase. That's how I started off. It was started off with the baby lips, and then since there's always a Maybelline promotion going on, and I'm always getting CRTs because I'm always buying Maybelline, I can always take advantage of those deals. So that's just a little word of advice. Now I also got a $4 for the Listerine and a $5 for the 3 Crest. So I got $30 in extra care bucks, and I paid $37 in extra care bucks. So I did lose $7 in extra care bucks, but that's okay. I don't care. That's okay that I lost the $7 in extra bucks, because on Ibotta they are giving back $2 for purchasing Maybelline lip products. So you're gonna get a $2 back. And I am also going to receive a $5 Visa reward card, e-reward card for buying the 1 liter Listerine mouthwash. So that's another newbie friendly deal. If you're new, you can do the Listerine. They're gonna give you $4 back, and you'll also get that $5 gift card. So you're gonna be paying very little out of pocket if you start with this Listerine deal. Very, very easy deal. And once you do that, you'll start getting, CRTs for mouthwash and Listerine and things of that nature. Now, since I did get the Maybelline products, I'm gonna hit beauty. Sorry, this one. I only had 15 left, and this was just under $16. So I will be getting a $3 extra buck. So I was really excited about that. So I just did all the math, y'all, and this was completely free, all of these items, and a $1 moneymaker. Super excited. Now, this would have been an $8 moneymaker, but I did choose to get this new product like I told you guys. So if it wasn't for this, it would have been an $8 moneymaker, but honestly, it gets kind of boring getting the same products, week after week. So I'm probably going to try this product. So super easy haul, $1 moneymaker, potentially $8 moneymaker if you do it. And we have a savings value of $81.20. So this is over $80 in products, completely free and a moneymaker. It just does not get any better than this. So this was the haul from this week. I might go to Walgreens and bring you all another haul. If I do, I'll definitely record that for you guys. But if not, just stay tuned. Next week, I'll bring you some new content. We'll go to CVS, we'll go to Walgreens, we'll go to Publix maybe. I need to start doing my Publix hauls as well and present those to you. So if you found this video helpful, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos of my coupon hauls and learn how to coupon, please go ahead and subscribe and turn the notifications on. That way you'll be notified when I do post a video. It's been a pleasure. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. This channel is growing slowly but surely. Together we can make it grow. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.